Hello, this is Vlad here, and welcome to this lesson. In today's lesson, we'll go through making compound shapes, making clipping masks, and opacity masks. So let's begin. The first one, which is the simplest, is called a compound pad. So we'll make two shapes. Let's change the color and move them in place. I will move them in back. You can also see them here, and shortcuts I used. So right click, arrange, and you can see. Okay. Now, let's select those two. Right click and select make compound pad. In case you want to make a compound pad and this option isn't shown, you can press directly the shortcut or make to object, compound pad, make. And there you go. You have compound pad. Now, if you go to a right click and isolate selecting compound pad, you can see that you can move the object inside. Pretty much like you did with the ones here. So they have a similar effect. Okay, that's for compound pads. And let's move on to clipping masks. Now let's make a gradient. I have one from a preset. And let's say we want only this part. So we want something like this. Everything else above and below should be cut. So let's arrange, bring to front, and we got an overlapping pad. Now we select both of them. The shape you want to be cut must be stay always in back. Now we select them both, right click, and select make clipping mask. And now you got a pad, which is cut. Again, you can right click and choose isolate, or the simple version, just go to the clip group and say edit contents. And now you can move everything around, especially this, as you can see. Okay. The last one I want to show you is called an opacity mask. This is very important and you should definitely master it. So let's change it to default. Okay, this is fine. And now we will make shape that overlaps and leave it like this. Now the first, you'll go to the transparency panel. If you don't see it, it's in window, transparency. So I have it open already. And say make mask. And there you go. Now everything has disappeared. This is because the black inside this hides everything. If you put clip, now everything will be white. So why do you use this? So let's select this one that we have. Press Ctrl or Command C to make a copy. Go inside. Click the white box to edit the opacity panel and press Ctrl or Command V. And we got it in front. Now make it white. If it's white, everything will be shown. So it appears that everything has disappeared. But if you press black, there you go. That size has been hidden. Think of it like similar to making a clipping mask, but also more powerful sometimes. But let's say we want also to make a gradient. Now you look at that. Everything that is black inside this gradient will be hidden and white will be shown. So we have a nice transition. We can also put it here, and there we go. You can see the idea. You can also make it radial, and you got a similar effect. White will be shown, and you see the shape changes. Okay. Now you also got the option to invert the mask, and now you see a better effect. You also, if you press this small button, you can expand, and we have a couple of other like isolate blending, knockout group. This is useful when you have blending modes and you want to make sure that multiple objects are not interfered with. So, and also you say opacity and mask define knockout shape. Same. Now there is also the soft light and other effects here, but we'll draw over in the next lesson over this. And now we can choose release, and we got both shapes back. You can also select them both like this and say make mask, and there you go, you got them back. Now in CS5 I think the option to make mask is hidden inside here, but as you see there's also some other options here. And one more thing I want to show is that you can link to art. So let's say if we move everything, sorry, this one, the second path is also moving with, but if we disable this, this is no longer the case. Okay, so release, and that's it. Thank you, and see you in the next lesson.